to this relationship visualization meditation. Whether you are seeking to attract a new love, deepen an existing relationship, or simply open your heart to more love, this meditation is here to guide you. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax, releasing any tension with each breath. With every inhale, draw in warmth, love, and calm. With each exhale, let go of any stress, worry, or tension. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, starting at the top of your head and gently moving down, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, your neck. This warm light travels down your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your back, your stomach, and your legs, all the way down to your toes. Feel the entire body enveloped in this comforting light, creating a safe, loving space where you can fully open up. Now focus on any negativity, fears, or blockages that might be holding you back from fully embracing love. Imagine that in your hand you're holding a beautiful rose. This rose represents your heart's desires and the love you wish to attract or deepen. However, along the stem of this rose, there are thorns. These thorns represent the fears, doubts, and blockages standing in the way of your love. One by one, begin to gently remove these thorns. With each thorn you remove, imagine a specific fear or negative belief dissolving into the air, disappearing completely. As you continue to remove the thorns, the rose becomes even more beautiful, symbolizing your heart opening up fully to love. You're freeing yourself from the blocks that have held you back, allowing your heart to be open and ready to receive love in its purest form. Now, in your mind, picture a place that brings you complete peace and happiness. A place where you feel safe, loved, and at ease. This could be a serene beach with a gentle sound of waves, a lush green meadow filled with the scent of flowers, or a cozy room with a soft, warm light. This is your sanctuary, a place where love flows freely and openly. As you settle into this space, take a moment to notice the details, the colors, the sounds, the texture. Let this place fill you with a deep sense of peace and joy. In this beautiful space, imagine a person coming towards you. As they approach, notice the warmth in their eyes, the gentle smile on their face. You feel a deep connection with them, a bond that is rooted in love, trust, and mutual respect. As they get closer, they reach out to you, gently placing a hand on your waist. You can feel the warmth of their touch spreading through your body, sending a soft, tingling sensation up your spine. They lean in, and now you feel their breath against your neck, soft and warm. Slowly, they press their lips against your skin, kissing you gently on the neck. This kiss sends waves of pleasure through you, making you feel deeply loved and desired. As they pull you in into a warm embrace, their hands move gently up and down your back, and you feel their fingers tracing the outline of your waist. They pull you even closer, and you feel their lips brushing against your ear, whispering words of love and affection. The connection between you deepens with every touch, every kiss, creating a powerful bond of love and desire. As you hold on to this feeling of connection and love, let's affirm these positive truths together. Silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of deep, passionate love, and I welcome it with an open heart. I attract a relationship that is filled with love, desire, and mutual respect. My relationship is built on trust, intimacy, and deep connection. I am loved deeply and fully, and I return this love in kind. Love and desire flow to me easily and effortlessly. I embrace it fully. Feel each affirmation resonating with you, strengthening your belief in the love you desire and deserve and the love that is coming to you. Now let's deepen this connection even further. Imagine that you and your partner are sharing an intimate moment together. They lean in close, their lips brushing softly against yours. You kiss deeply, passionately, feeling the love and desire between you growing stronger with each moment. Their hands move gently to the small of your back, pulling you closer, and you feel the warmth of their body against yours. As they pull back slightly, they look into your eyes with a gaze full of love and affection. They kiss you again, this time softly on the lips, before moving to your cheek, your neck, and then back to your lips. Each kiss is a promise of love, a deep connection that transcends words. You feel safe, loved, and desired in their embrace, knowing that this love is real and lasting. As you begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, take a deep breath in, filling your heart with love and gratitude. Slowly exhale, letting go of any lingering doubts or fears. Know that this loving connection is really and is already manifesting in your life. When you're ready, gently start to move your fingers and toes, bringing life back into your body. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of love, connection, and desire with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this relationship visualization meditation. Remember, love is always around you, and you are deserving of all the love and passion the universe has to offer. Trust in the process and in the love that is coming to you. Namaste.